Happy solstice. I'm Storm Trekker 18 Weather Chief Meteorologist Matt Schaefer. Just 8 hours, 47 minutes of daylight between sunrise and sunset today. But from here, there's nowhere to go but up. So daylight will start to increase, though, very slowly. Tomorrow's sunrises and sunsets are exactly the same. That sunset at 4:28. It's going to take 4 more days, Christmas night, until we get to 4:30 on the sunset. By the way, it's just 4 seconds more daylight tomorrow than today. From there, another month from now, 5 o'clock sunsets begin on January 22nd. And at that point, we're starting to get at this point of the curve where daylight starts increasing pretty quickly towards the equinox on March 20th and beyond towards next summer. Until then, we typically see our coldest points of the year in the weeks following the solstice. So we're getting into that point right now and certainly looking like that way, although still warmer tomorrow. Unfortunately, another dreary day with clouds. It should stay dry though. As we go overnight tomorrow into Wednesday morning, a system approaches from the west that could give us some chances for light rain in the morning. Wednesday morning will likely be in the upper 30s, perhaps even near 40 degrees to start the day. But it will not end that way. A very strong cold front pushes through. Temperatures will be down in the 20s by the afternoon, perhaps teens by evening. With that comes some snow chances. It looks scattered for us, a little heavier off to the north where some more significant totals could be. It's a lot of question marks though. Exactly how much of this snow are we going to get? When's it going to change over is a big question, and the exact track of that system is yet to be worked out. Here's 5 of the computer models. Little cluster of them between about 1.5 and 3 inches. An outlier up at 8 inches. That doesn't look very likely at this point unless the system shifts pretty significantly to south. But these aren't the only computer models out there. There's a lot more of them down here in like the 1/2 inch to 1 inch range. And if that happens, it's not a white Christmas unless there's at least 1 inch of depth on Christmas morning. We could see a lot more, but just too early to forecast right now. Hopefully tomorrow we'll actually have better data on it. In the meantime, low of 20 tonight, wind chills as cold as the teens, but the wind does settle down. So by tomorrow morning when the air temperature is coldest, there won't be much of a wind, so probably not much of a wind chill. 37 the high tomorrow despite the clouds. Maybe a few peaks of sunshine early in the morning, but cloudy for most of the day. Wind chills 20 to 30. And the wind will be out of the south-southeast. That's what warms us up. It's not going to be any sunshine, but it's going to be gusting, so it's going to feel like the 20s once again, even in the warm part of the day with the wind chills. Temperatures fall all day Wednesday. Again, mid-upper 30s, perhaps even near 40 Wednesday morning, depending on where you are and when that front comes through. Temps fall all the way down into the 20s by the afternoon. The rain changes over to snow and it'll be windy. Temperatures continue to fall Wednesday night. So once the snow ends, you're really going to want to clean your driveways up as quickly as you can because you don't want that freezing to a block of ice as those temperatures drop to around the 0 degree mark, perhaps even a little bit below by Thursday morning. Christmas Eve day is a cold one, cold and windy too. So while air temperatures do get above freezing, around 6 degrees for the high. Wind chills will be negative all day, even colder Thursday night into Christmas morning. Hopefully Santa has his heavy winter coat on as he's flying through the Midwest on Christmas Eve night. Temperatures do start to warm up as we go towards the weekend, but it does look like another colder burst of air comes, perhaps starting Tuesday or so.